Meow meow. Pisi pisi. Meow meow. Wow. Watermelonini cetu pisini. Meow meow. Pis pis. Pisi pisi.
Have you gotten any bites yet, Risby?
Nah, Twin. These splish ain't biting. Sure do wish we knew how to pull the fuss.
Not for real. This lake drier than Larry's DMs type splish.
My DMs ain't splishing dry!
Wait, what the scallops? Did you hear that, Risby?
Damn, I'm on my fishing splish. I just fished again. Damn, I'm on my mining splish. We be crafting.
Damn, we ain't making it out of the trenches, are we?
Once I hit them with this evil, diabolical contraption, they won't be talking all that splish. Then they'll surely think I get the huzz right. Maybe they'll even invite me to their next fishing trip. Yeah, that's right. I'll show them. Mwahahaha.
Wait, Rigby, did you just fart?
Nah, Twin.
Bruh, we ain't ever inviting him to the server again.
Nah, for real. I was about to invite him on our fishing trip, too.
Haha, man, that was awesome. They're gonna flip-sing love me for that one. Wait, I just got kicked.